Today's Japanese slang おひとりさま。皆さんこんにちは、みほこです。Hi everyone, it's みほこ。The other day, I uploaded a video about Japanese counters 1人、2人、3人 which is how we count people in Japanese.Actually, today's Japanese slang is related to them. では、早速始めましょう。Let's get to it. おひとりさま originally means a solo customer, which is used at restaurants and hotels, etc.This is a very polite way to call their customers who come alone to the restaurants, hotels, etc. Lately, people in Japan also use this word as a solo person who is enjoying at an amusement park, a person who can enjoy coming to a restaurant without company, or a person living alone.Also,around 2005, many restaurants started allowing solo customers, while the word おひとりさま was getting popular. Before that, some traditional Japanese restaurants didn't allow to enter customers who didn't have any company. Let me show you some examples in this video.おひとりさま、一点限り。おひとりさま、一点限り。Limit 1 per customer. 1 per customer. This one is a really common sign in Japanese retail shops.おひとりさま、一点限り。Limit 1 per customer. こちらの商品は、おひとりさま、一点限りとなっております。こちらの商品はおひとりさま一点限りとなっております。This product is limited to 1 per customer.こちらの商品はおひとりさま一点限りとなっております。This product is limited to 1 per customer. おひとりさまパーティープレート。おひとりさまパーティープレート。It means a party plate for one. おひとりさまパーティープレート。Yes, here's a party plate for one. It looks gorgeous and tasty. おひとりさまお弁当型炊飯器。 おひとりさまお弁当型炊飯器 Bento box style rice cooker for one おひとりさまお弁当型炊飯器 This rice cooker for a single person size will be convenient if you are living by yourself and don't have enough space for a regular rice cooker, or if you don't eat cooked rice so often at home. Also, this one is a lunchbox style, so you can eat without replace the rice to another plate or a bowl. おひとりさま用折りたたみ式テントおひとりさま用折りたたみ式テント A foldable tent for one. A tent for one, which is you can fold it. おひとりさま用折りたたみ式テント A foldable tent for one. Solo camping has been pretty popular in Japan lately. It's so nice that there are many safe camping areas in Japan, even if you are camping alone. I personally am not a big fan of camping, but when I was a kid, I went to lots of camping as a family. It was fun, but now I prefer staying at a hotel. But if I was still living in Japan, I could do it again if my family joined me. おひとりさまおひとりさまA TV series おひとりさま Here's a Japanese TV series called おひとりさま Seems like you can watch it on Japanese Hulu. I can't access a VPN, so I can't watch it, but if American Hulu would carry it one day, I want to watch it. Here's a comic book called おひとりさま物語 I used to read this author's comics in a magazine, so I hope to read this one someday. By the way, 物語 means tells and also stories. 物語物語 tells stories 物語 tells stories That's all for today. 今日はここまでです。Thank you for joining this lesson up to the very end. See you in the next video. Bye. またね。